Arguably, the most important thing about owning a pistol is the price. Everyone craves a classic, one that can impress and also shoot well. I mean, who wouldn't pull out their pistol and make everyone at the range go, wow? Nowadays, purchases are made to impress, even firearm purchases. Of course, the major reason for owning a pistol would be to protect yourself, but no rule says you must carry around a cheap and ugly piece of crap. But of course, with great power comes great responsibility. These pistols are powerful, sleek, and stylish, but equally expensive. What do you say about going on a tour to meet the pistols you can't afford? Who knows, maybe someday you'll be able to afford one. Before every tour, you're given tags to identify you as part of the group, so do subscribe to this channel so I can continue to show you videos about interesting pistols. Alright, let's get this tour started. The Alien Full Kit is the pistol of dreams. If you enjoy sci-fi, then you know what I'm talking about because this pistol looks like it was taken straight out of a sci-fi movie. No joke. It has all the technology, feel, and looks of the future. It's one of the most unique and cutting-edge pistols on the market today. This beauty was made from steel and aluminum for maximum strength and durability. The Alien's distinctive feature is its low-profile slide that sits inside the frame, providing a very low bore access that helps to reduce felt recoil. This allows for faster follow-up shots and improved accuracy, making it an ideal choice for competitive shooting and self-defense. Sold for $5,000, the Lagu Arms Alien Full Kit is not for light wallets, it's an investment. This incredible pistol is like a girl. You can't tell exactly what you like about her because everything just seems perfect. It's a high-end pistol designed for performance, precision, and style with a striking design and advanced features. The trigger is finely tuned for smoothness and consistency, while its ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable, secure hold because it was made from premium materials. Did I mention that it has a muzzle brake that reduces recoil and improves shot placement, as well as a match-grade barrel that ensures tight groupings at longer distances? That's just about how good the TTI GW4 Pit Viper really is. At $3,000, the most impressive aspect of the Pit Viper is its ability to handle a wide range of ammunition. Whether you're using standard 9mm rounds or high-velocity loads, the Pit Viper delivers consistent performance and accuracy every time you pull that trigger. Remember when I said that the Nighthawk Custom T3 is the pistol that was crafted with the most precision? Well, I lied, because the Wilson Combat x-tac Elite is just something else. This pistol even has a slide end frame that was skillfully handcrafted. The custom T3 was made with accuracy alright, but the x-tac Elite also holds its own. With a stainless steel construction, this pistol can take a beating and keep on firing, and its ergonomic design ensures that it fits comfortably in your hand even after extended use. Of course, with all these comes an enormous price. The x-tac Elite is sold for $4,300. You'll see a balanced scale if you put the price and features on a scale. Did I mention that this pistol is also customizable? Yep, you can choose from various finishes, grips, sights, and even engravings to make your x-tac Elite truly one of a kind. Okay, so we've reached a point in the tour where I, your guide, ask you if you're enjoying the tour so far. So, what's your favorite part? Do hit us up with a thumbs up if you're enjoying the video. If you've heard of the Nighthawk Custom Talon, then you must have also heard that every piece of the gun was designed with 100% focus. No joke, mind you, every part of this gun seems like it took 1,000 years to be designed and manufactured. But of course, you don't expect this beauty to come cheap. The Nighthawk Custom Talon costs $4,500. Some people don't even make that much money in a year, but who says it isn't worth it? I would think that the company is running a charity if it didn't cost that much. This price even depends on the customization you choose. The Nighthawk Custom Talon is a pistol that's built for precision and reliability. Its carbon steel construction gives it a solid, hefty feel that inspires confidence in the shooter, while the custom-tuned trigger offers a crisp, clean break that's a joy to shoot. If you know the meaning of the word executive, then you already know what we're talking about here. The Ed Brown 1911 Executive isn't your regular pistol. It's a one-off pistol that means business with the power to put your plans and actions into effect. It's just like the magic wand of your fairy godmother. It grants your every need. You just need to state it. The Executive Target features a high-grade stainless steel slide and frame with a hand-polished finish that's as beautiful as it's durable. The trigger, hammer, and disconnector are all hand-fit to ensure a crisp, consistent break, while the slide stop and thumb safety are precision machined for a smooth, precise fit. If you think you've met a pistol that's as beautiful as it's powerful, like the 1911 Executive Target, then you can let me know in the comments section below. However, this pistol has an executive price tag of $4,500. Has an executive price tag of $4,500, which certainly shouldn't be a deal breaker if you have the cash. Bonus tip time. After spending a fortune on pistols like these, it would be devastating if they lost form quickly. But just like with everything quality, maintenance is required. High-end pistols, like the ones we've discussed so far, are precision-crafted machines that require a bit of TLC to stay in top form. Be sure to clean and lubricate your pistol regularly, and don't hesitate to send it back to the manufacturer for service if you notice any issues. Remember, a high-end pistol is an investment, and with proper care and maintenance, it can even last a lifetime. If the Wilson Combat X-Tac Elite wasn't enough to whet your appetite, then feast your eyes on the Ed Brown 1911 Executive Elite. This pistol has the beauty and shine of a woman on her wedding day. It's only manufactured for the elite, the cream of the top, and those who prioritize accuracy and aesthetics. With a price tag of $4,700 to match its features, this pistol is certainly high-end. Every aspect of this pistol has been carefully crafted to ensure that it performs at the highest level, whether you're competing in a match or simply plinking out the range. There's no telling what this gun can do until you pull the trigger. If you have some money to splash, it'll be really worth it. This is the last pistol of our tour, but it's certainly not the last in anything. This pistol features a custom grip made from meteorite and wood that's been carefully hand inlaid with 24 karat gold. This pistol features a custom grip made from meteorite and wood that's been carefully hand inlaid with 24 karat gold. Are you screaming already, or should I go on ahead? The Cabot National Standard is a pistol that's as much a piece of art as it is a firearm. The meteorite used for the grip was sourced from Argentina's Campo del Cielo meteorite field, and the wood comes from a tree that was more than 1,000 years old when it was felled. With such a unique and luxurious design, it should come as no surprise that the Cabot National Standard commands such a high price tag. The pistol is sold at a whopping $7,000. Yep, you heard that right. But for what you'll be getting with this gun, it's a steal. Power, accuracy, beauty. You name it, the Cabot National Standard has got it. Well guys, that's the end of our tour of some of the world's most expensive pistols. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more luxurious weapon showcases, and be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on these amazing firearms. Until next time, stay safe.